In this video I will show you the coriander lip treatment to get soft pink lips naturally. You will need 6 or 7 leaves of coriander. What you have to do: Step 1. Crush the coriander leaves. Step 2. Apply directly to your lips. Step 3. Keep it on for 30 minutes. Step 4. Wipe with a damp washcloth. How often do you need to do this? This can be done every day. Why this works? Coriander helps in reducing pigmentation, due to the presence of the compound umbelliferone. Regular use of coriander can reduce the darkening on your lips and leave them pinker.